This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school vending machine. It's a convenient way to grab a snack or drink during your day, and understanding the simple steps will make your experience smooth and easy. We'll cover everything from selecting your desired item to making a successful payment and retrieving your treat. Get ready to become a vending machine pro and enjoy those delicious options available right in your school hallways. Let's dive in and learn how to get your favorite items with confidence. Once you've decided what you'd like, take a moment to locate its corresponding number or letter on the machine's display. This code is crucial for telling the machine exactly which item you want. Carefully use the keypad to enter this selection code. Double-check your entry to ensure accuracy before proceeding. A quick glance can prevent any mix-ups, ensuring you get the exact snack or drink you're craving without any fuss. It's a simple but important step. Now it's time to pay for your delicious selection. Most school vending machines accept various payment methods, commonly including cash like dollar bills and coins, or even card payments. Look for the designated slot or reader for your chosen method. Insert your money or tap your card carefully, following any on-screen prompts. The machine will then process your transaction, so be patient for a few moments. Soon, your purchase will be complete and ready for retrieval. Congratulations, your item is ready. Head over to the dispensing area, usually a small compartment at the bottom of the machine, and retrieve your snack or drink. If you paid with cash, remember to check for any change that might be dispensed. In the rare event an item gets stuck or you encounter a payment issue, don't worry. Look for a customer service number on the machine or inform a school staff member for assistance. Enjoy your well-deserved treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.